Naging spirit. By Tito. Foul. Holding foul. Number 27, Fajardo. Penalty. Penalty situation. Ito. Penalty. Marshall sure na otot, tapi ito, bantang itikas. Last throw by Asherna, number 29. Get ready for the rebound. Yes sir, 1 point, Asherna. Gabutan, number 7. Alas dari nomor 29, Gabutan. Nakalusot sa sakit. Sa steal ba yun? Nakuha din naman. Binasa niya sa mga. Wow. Number 6, 2 free throws. Foul, Lingayan, number 6. Another 2 free throws given to Mr. Ashura. First show, number 29, Shabo Gire! Ang gihapon. Siya ka na gano'n ba? Last throw by number 29, Ashura. Not good. Run out of bounds, number 10, Diego, mula sa Buffalo team. Gales, Trujillo, Sumaypay! Dahil Pelego, hinapon yung ulan. Pelego naman dyan, Bedelens. Bedelens. Nagaling Gabutan. Gabutan! Foul, number 28, Gales. 2 free throws. Warning for penalty, Buffalo. First show by Gabutan. Not good. Minutes time for the second quarter. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Last throw by Gabutan. Not good pa rin. One by the line. Down to Ashura. Ashura na malusot si Ashura. Napakabilis ni Ashura. Di pa sa may Gales. Gales, di pa sa. Out of bounds, we had number 1, sliding, Fajardo. General Fajardo down to Gabutan, number 7. Gabutan, Tomera sa 3. Bang! 2 points, Gabutan. Ashura number 29. Ipasa, si Gabutan. Gabutan number 28, nasa number 10, Pelego down, number 37, Fajardo, 2 points, Fajardo. Ay, out of bounds, number 1, Julian. Remain time, 3 minutes and 7 seconds. On the score, 34-41. Lumabot na ng labaw. Nagbatagay ito ang Pelego, binasa sa gitna. Steal by Gales. Gales, down to Uyat number 1. By Tito. Number 6, foul, Lingayan. Penalty. Collect 1 point by Huyad. Last throw by Huyad. Not good. Run by Trujillo. Now 180 Gales. Down to Fajardo. Fajardo number 27 down to number 7 Gabutan. Alex for 3 points. Not good. Rebound by Lingayan. That is bola. Pass to the Budan. Yang bola number 7. Another 3 points on that. Not good. One by Gales. Gales down to Riyad. Riyad number 1 is Riyad number 1. Yes, sir! 2 points. Riyad. Ligaya number 6. Alas na naman din nila sa Fernando Gabudan. Yang bola alas na naman din nila number 7 Paando. Paando. Down to Furdan. Furdan! Foul! Number 35, blocking foul. 2 free throws. Timeout, Barangay. 4 minutes and 16 seconds for the second quarter. Ang score, 23-36. Labawang ito. Gabutan down to Bilico. Long 3 points, not good. Alpha.